guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share the brand new Valentine release with you guys and give you a couple of updates with the shop. So I want to give you an update on the hot cocoa release. So the dye, I'm waiting on the dye to ship the rest of my orders out. The dye did not come as quickly as I anticipated. The dye will be shipping no later than Wednesday to me. They did say they were going to try to get that shipped out sooner. So I'm hoping it ships out Monday and then I can get the orders shipped out by Wednesday or Thursday. That would be wonderful. I do have the original dye if anybody wants that had purchased the bundle without the dye. I do have that one. The updated dye is all sold out, as well as the bundles. I do have a few stamp sets left and you can purchase the original dye. The original dye doesn't cut out the inside of one of the coffee mug handles, and that one is listed up in the shop right now. So right now my free with 60 is this very cute set from Fawn. This is the Seriously Awesome stamp set. It's a cute little cereal bowl, and then you got little cute faces to add to the cereal bowl. There's a little yum, no, seriously, I think you're awesome for the sentiment. So this will pop into your cart if you spend $60 or more. It's while supplies last. There's also another little stamp set they came out with. This is the Flip Flop. So it is the opposite of the original little roar. So now you have one that faces the other one, and you can make some really cute cards, especially for Valentine's Day. You make my heart soar, and then there's some cute little hearts. So the main stamp set from this release is this really cute Scent with Love stamp set. Features these really cute skunks. We've got one holding his arm out, which is really fun. You can put all kinds of items in there from all the other Fawn sets, so it doesn't have to be used just with the set. It's fun to mix and match all the characters from all the past releases. And then this one here too looks like he's putting his arms out for a hug. Then we've got two skunks hugging, and then this one with his arms out. There's a little envelope, a heart, and then there's this heart banner, some skunk smell lines, and then we've got a rose, a flower, a bow. There's a little I love you that you could stamp on the envelope, as well as this XOXO. We've got Happy Valentine's Day, Scent with Love. Those will fit in this heart. And the big sentiment, you make me feel sentimental. And this card is Scent with Love. And there's the coordinating die for that. And then we've got an add-on, so this is super fun. This is the Scent with Love add-on. You get some more elements to play with to make fun scenes, and then this cute guy. There's a balloon, a bouquet of flowers, a box of chocolates, even a chocolate-covered strawberry and a cupcake. And the more sentiments, I love you, you are stinking sweet, and Happy Valentine's Day. Here's a little die. This is the Tiny Gift Box Skunk add-on die. I've seen this with the box, and then I've seen this used on its own. You put together the skunk and then you can just use it on a card. So that's pretty cool. We've got the big words. We've got a giant XO, XO, and a giant Be My Valentine. So these are fun to decorate with the little characters and make them like hop around the words. Those cards look really fun. We've got two slimline dies. I love making mini slimline dies. So this is the mini slimline. We've got the large and mini slimline stackables. So these interchange. So you can stack these in between and get lots of layers for your cards. We've got two backdrops. We've got the portrait and the landscape with these little hearts, and then the stitching detail on this. This is really, really pretty. You can also use this for a mini slimline. You just cut this panel out and then take one of your layers that will fit inside here and then you can have that as your background. We've got a nice stencil and then another heart border die. So this one layers on top of each other, and it has stitching and an outline of the hearts, so that is really pretty. And then the stencil is a 2-piece stencil with lots of hearts, and that is what it looks like on the back. So really super fun release from Lawn Fawn. I'll have the link in the description box if you want to head on over to the shop and check it out. So thanks guys for stopping by. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!